Hello and welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to hold two guns in your hand in your GTA San Andreas game. So to get two guns and to hold two guns in your GTA San Andreas game, firstly you would need two guns. So in order to get two guns in your inventory, you need to activate a cheat code. So the cheat code will now be displayed on the screen and you guys can type it with me as well. So you need to type in your keyboard PROFESSIONALSKIT, professional skit. So after you have typed that, you will have certain weapons in your inventory, and if you just scroll and you can search this micro SMG, you can see that now my CJ is holding two SMGs in his hand. So if I point as well, he is holding out his two guns, and if I shoot it as well, it shoots from both of the SMG and it shoots two guns. So that's how you guys can hold two guns in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys would want us to cover, then please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.